time for a different 3 beanbag pattern. Hopefully you've been getting to grips with the cascade, which is what I'm juggling right now. This pattern is called sunrise, sunset. As you can see, the blue beanbag is going over the top of both the pink and the green beanbag on each throw. So from my right hand and my left, every time. So the first thing we need to practice is that throw on its own. Just with one beanbag, I'm going to throw a nice big arch shape from one side to the other, making sure it's going up and over the top of our normal cascade throws. Can you see I'm getting it just about my forehead height on each throw? Now we're going to try 2 beanbags. So I'm going to throw the pink one first as a normal throw, as if I'm starting my normal juggling pattern. And as it's falling down, the blue beanbag I'm going to throw over the top before I catch the pink one. Let's have a look. So pink, blue, over the top. Let's try that again, but I'm going to start on the other side. Throw the pink first, blue, over the top. We're going to practice this over and over and over. So pause the video now, just get 2 of your beanbags and attempt this pattern. Try it on both sides as well, so both hands are practicing that over the top or the sunrise, sunset throw. So you've been practicing sunrise, sunset with 2 beanbags. Now to add it in to our cascade. Once you've settled into a juggle, choose a hand to start with and choose a colour of beanbag. I'm going to start with my right hand and the blue beanbag, so I throw it over the top. Just do one over the top throw, settle back into your cascade. When you're ready again, try another. So we're just throwing the blue beanbag over the top once and returning to our cascade. Once you practice your more dominant hand, have a go on the other side. So when it's in the right place, just a quick over the top throw on its own, and then we go back into our cascade. You can practice this as much as you want, just one over the top throw on its own. Use both your strong hand and your weaker hand. To get our continuous sunrise sunset pattern, we've just got to give it a try. We've been practicing both right-handed and left-handed throws, so all we need to do now is keep it going. To start with, aim for just 2 in a row, like I did just then. So the blue one over the top and back again. Settle back into your juggle. Once you've done 2, you're almost there. It's just lots of practice and you'll be able to keep it going. Aim to get 1 more catch each time you attempt our sunrise, sunset. Give it a go, have fun.